well, I've just tried, and he's not going anywhere, and I can't either.
Okay.
I can't see where I can go to. He could get further over. Well, it's very good of him.
How is this not a one-way road? It should be.
Well, there are passing places, but when you've got a huge...
You're not getting to the left now there. Is that a passing place?
Yeah, it is. That's supposed to be.
Yeah, you better get in now. Yeah.
I don't know if I will.
We can't just go into the trees. In a big thank you.
Cheers, mate. Appreciate that.
Nightmare.
Yeah.
Oh, that's lovely. I would never do this.
No.
Yeah. Every time we go around a corner, I'm like, yeah.
I couldn't do it. It's so scary, like you say.
Yeah, because you get them stupid cars that come zooming down.
I know, that's the worry. You can be the carefulest driver out. 5 minutes away.
This car was well smart. That Audi.
Yeah.
So were we not able to reverse anywhere then?
No, I didn't see anywhere.
He
So
probably
are they
just...
purposely meant to make passing places?
Yeah, there's places like this where you pass, and further along there's more of them.
Yeah.
But still, when you've got a car as wide as that,
So how did you know to beep your horn?
That just does that, just...
Yeah, I've only heard you do it once.
yeah, because I thought it was a particularly nasty bend, like here.
To alert us of your presence. That's the only time you're allowed to beep your horn.
Oh, is that why you quoted that?
Yeah, 'cause
Ah.
that's my theory question.
No, there
Why
you go
do you
then.
beep your horn to alert others of your